This is the first cooking video that I am presenting. So first and foremost, I'll be making chicken. So what you need to do, obviously take chicken and then we need to marinate it. So we put some oil and all the masalas that are there in creation of the marination, and it should look like I will have pause and turn it over to the chicken side. So the marinated chicken will look like this. We take a bowl and we put chicken in it, and we put all the the dry masalas that we have, namak, mirchi, and all the other things. And we have taken tomatoes and cut them, and we have taken onion and cut them. And this is for the other mix that we'll have. So we'll have some good chicken. So we'll fry the chicken and then have the mix. So now I'm doing a dual mode shooting. So you can see me and the apparatus below. This is my chula. You can say chula, or you can say the griller on which I'll be grilling the chicken. So it's been marinated, it's been kept for 15 to 20 minutes. So now putting the chicken in. You can see on the griller how quickly, because of the oil marination, it is picking up, getting cooked. It has water at the bottom and the chicken is getting cooked by steam. So it's healthy. It's not deep fried. It's all healthy. You need to keep on changing, otherwise it will be something to the video. It got heated, so that is why it is getting thick. But it's getting cooked. It's getting cooked very quickly. So this grilled chicken is ready. It's steam cooked, so if you want, you can directly eat it as well. It's healthy and it's not bad. It's a very good taste. But now we're going to do a little extra step. So we've taken this kadai and we've taken some ajwain. We is directly kept without any oil. So we're just letting the ajwain get a little heated and cook. So now that the ajwain is cooked and is giving a nice flavor and smell, I'm gonna put some tomatoes in. You can see that once the tomatoes, now that it is cooked with some tomatoes and with some water, some paste is made. Now in this paste we'll add onions so that we have another nice little blend, and post that we'll add chicken in it and cook, and then the final product will be ready. So now we're almost ready. I've put all the dry masalas and I've put the chicken, little bit of water. If you want more curry, you can add more water and change the quantity of the masalas accordingly, mirchi, namak and all the others, and we just let it cook for a while. So if the chicken is undercooked, we get fully cooked, but generally with the steam grill, it is not undercooked. So So now the final product is going to be ready, and then you can have it with roti, or if it is with curry, you can serve it with rice and all.